This video is going to describe the basic concept behind most Twisty puzzle mechanisms. Now, a lot of this you might think you already know, and a lot of it you probably do know. It's important, though, to recognize this because there are certain fundamental concepts behind mechanisms with Twisty puzzles that are true for almost any Twisty puzzle. It's good to know this going into the design process. It'll help you have a better understanding of what you're trying to design. So here I have a 3x3, just a regular standard 3x3. Nothing special about it. When you look at this cube, you notice three pieces. Right? You have an edge, you have a corner, you have a center, right? Now I like to think of cubes as having any Twisty puzzle have three types of pieces. And there's a pretty cool way to demonstrate that. So I want you to watch this green center right here. Watch what happens to it. So this is before, this is after. What happened? Well, it rotated once clockwise, but it didn't change places. You look at all the other centers, none of them change places either. The center doesn't move. Cubers are familiar with this, right? So we call the center a rotating piece. Strictly rotates. Does not translate. Now we look at a corner. Before, after. Corner starts here, finishes there. It changed places. We would call the corner a translating piece. Now, there's a third type of piece that you can't see on this. You can see it on this, though. It's the core. It's a stationary piece. It doesn't move. It's always in one position. Almost all custom puzzles, almost all, there are exceptions, almost all will have rotating pieces, translating pieces, and stationary pieces. Almost everything you design will start like that. Not all these pieces are necessarily visible, but they all must exist for most Twisty puzzles to work.